Welcome to Yukon Avenue in the city of Torrance. This beautiful multi-level condo is an end unit and has both central air conditioning and heat. This open concept floor plan is beautifully designed to add air and light flow throughout. A half bath conveniently located on this level, two-tone custom paint, baseboards, and wooden shutters. Dining area opened over to the chef's dream kitchen with stainless steel appliances including microwave, refrigerator, gas range, deep sink, and dishwasher. Right next to the kitchen, you have a convenient laundry room with LG appliances and extra storage. As we go up the stairs, you will find 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The hall bathroom comes with a shower tub enclosure, a window, a fan, and modern fixtures. The primary suite is light and airy, spacious with a combination of wood shutters and soft curtains. The primary bathroom has 2 vanity sinks, wood shutters, recessed lighting, and a large walk-in shower with glass doors. And finally, the primary suite has this large walk-in closet. The hallway has added storage for linens, and the second bedroom has shutters, a door to the outdoor balcony, and a sliding door closet. And the third bedroom has another large closet, wood shutters, and a door to the same private balcony outside. Finally, we walk downstairs to the lower level, which has a nice closet space with some storage right inside of the garage area. You'll love this 3-car garage with finished floor and extra space, remote control access, and a large walk-in closet for added storage. If you're interested in viewing, please check us out at jmco.com where you could schedule a showing and apply.